Hello and welcome back. And today we are finishing out Volume 1. So again, we will be starting with Volume 2 tomorrow. There will be a link down in the description if you would like to go purchase it, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do get a small commission from any sales. But let's get started. Number 320, the last one in Volume 1. So if we start with this box, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 6, 3. For this row, we're only missing a 3. For this row, we're missing a 4. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 8. I don't see any help. So 1, 8, 1, 8. For this column, we're missing an 8. For this column, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 7, 1. For this box now, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 9, 8. For this box, we're missing a 7. For this row now, we're missing 1, 7, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 7. 1 here, so 7, 9. But we've got 7 and 9 here, so this is our 1, 7, 9. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 9. We've got a 1 and 9 here, so this is our 2, 9 here, so 1, 9. That 1 makes this our 8, 1. For this box now, we're missing 3, 5, and 7. We've got 3 and 5 here, so this is our 7. I don't see any other help. So 3, 5, 3, 5. For this row, we're missing 3, 5, and 6. We've got 3 and 5 here, so this is our 6. And again, no help. So 3, 5, 3, 5. For this bottom row, we're missing a 9. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 8. For this row now, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 6. And then we just plug these in. So we'll make this the 3, 5, 3, 5. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Again, do please check out the link for Volume 2 if you want to solve along with me. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with Puzzle 1 of Volume 2.